everyone, I'm Maren, and welcome back to the Bambiz channel. First impressions matter, especially for estate planning and elder law attorneys. Your headshot is often the first thing potential clients see, but a lousy headshot can hurt your business. So let's fix that. Here are 7 DIY tips to taking professional looking headshots yourself. First, location, location, location. Choose your environment wisely. If you're opting for indoors, find a room with lots of natural light near a window. Keep the background clean and uncluttered. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more outdoor location, early morning or late afternoon offers the best light. Find a shaded area with nature in the background for a calm look. Number 2, dress for success. Wear professional attire you'd wear to meet a client. Solid colors work best. Try to avoid patterns that could be distracting. Keep your hair neat, and for those who wear makeup, natural and professional. Now let's talk tech. A digital camera is ideal, but a newer smartphone can work too. If available, use portrait mode on your phone to blur the background. We also highly recommend using a tripod for stability. You can set the timer on your phone camera and step back in the frame to avoid blurry photos from shaking hands. Remember, the right lighting is essential. Use natural light to brighten your face without harsh shadows. Be sure to avoid direct sunlight and flash, which can create unflattering effects on your face. And finally, your pose. Stand or sit up straight with your shoulders back for confidence. Smile genuinely, make eye contact with the camera, and take multiple shots with different angles and expressions to choose the best one. Simple edits can make a world of difference in your DIY headshots, but don't overdo it. Use basic photo editing tools to adjust lighting and contrast slightly. You still want to look like your best self. With these tips, you'll be taking professional-looking DIY headshots in no time. People trust a familiar face, and a recent photo shows you're approachable and up-to-date. Ready to elevate your online presence? Schedule a free call with our team today. Let's discuss your marketing goals and take your practice to the next level. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips for elder law and estate planning practices. And if you ever have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll be happy to help.